I'm Alicia, and I'm going to be talking about energy. Everything down to the smallest particle energy. Energy can exist in many different forms, including kinetic, potential, thermal, gravitational, sound, elastic, light, electric, and magnetic. All of these forms of energy are equivalent, meaning they can be converted from one form to another. So energy may exist in light form, but then the light energy disappears and will reappear in heat form. This is because of the law of conservation of energy, which states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy is most often measured in joules, but depending on your needs, can also be measured in kilowatt hours or kilocalories. Kinetic energy is the energy of an object that an object has due to its motion. Kinetic energy is often gained from the work that is done on the object to get it in motion. So kinetic energy is the result of other net forces acting on the object. The object maintains that energy unless its speed changes. One example of an object that has kinetic energy is a car. Work must be done to get the car in motion, and once the car has accelerated, it has kinetic energy. Potential energy is the energy stored within a system. Energy is required to stretch the spring that energy remains even after the stretching is done. That energy is then converted into potential energy because if it is released, it will return to its original unstretched position. So the spring has the ability to move and the energy to do so, but at that moment it isn't in motion. When the spring is released, that potential energy is converted to elastic energy. Mechanical energy is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. It is constant in a system as long as there are no other forces acting on the system other than gravity, because one type of energy is converted to another and never leaves the system.